Hello and welcome back to Anta English.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm David.
And I'm Anta. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English in a simple and easy way. So if you want to improve your English with us, please remember to subscribe and like this video.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. Today, we are going to talk about something a little different.
Yes, we're going to learn how to talk about your day in English.
We all have days, and it's good to know how to describe them clearly and naturally.
So, how are you today, David?
I'm pretty good. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining, and that always makes it easier to start the day with a good mood.
Oh, I know what you mean. I saw the sunshine when I woke up, and it immediately made me feel more positive. Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Yes, I did. I went to a bookstore on Saturday. I didn't plan to stay long, but I ended up browsing for almost 2 hours. I found a simple English book and felt very motivated. What about you?
That sounds lovely. I had a quiet weekend. I stayed at home, cooked a simple meal, and cleaned my room. It felt peaceful. I also called my family for a short chat.
That's a good weekend.
Yes. Small, calm, and warm.
I like weekends like that.
Me too.
So speaking of everyday life, today our topic is talking about your day.
Yes. People ask this question all the time.
Like, how was your day?
Exactly. And we often answer fine or good, but we can say more than that.
True. Sometimes I say fine even when my day was not fine.
That is very human. And today we will learn how to talk about your day in a natural way, without making it too long or too dramatic.
And we will also learn some useful phrases and examples so you can copy them and use them today.
Okay, David, let's start simple. If I ask you, how was your day? What can you say?
I can say, it was good.
Good. That's the basic level. Now let's make it one step better. Add one reason.
It was good because I finished my work early.
Perfect. Very natural.
Or, it was tiring because I had many meetings.
Great. Now you are not just answering, you are sharing.
Anta, when was the last time you had a really busy day?
Let me think. Actually, I had a busy day last week. I had a lot of messages, a lot of small tasks, and I kept switching between things.
Switching means moving from one thing to another thing again and again.
Yes. And when you do that too much, you feel distracted.
Distracted means you can't focus well.
Exactly. At the end of the day, I didn't feel happy, even though I worked a lot.
Because you were busy, but not productive.
Yes, that is a perfect point.
So what is the difference between busy and productive?
Great question. Busy means you have many things to do, but productive means you actually finish important things and make progress.
So you can be busy, but not productive.
Exactly. And you can also be productive without feeling crazy busy.
I love that.
How about you, David? When was the last time you had a hard day?
Honestly, yesterday,
Oh, what happened?
I woke up late, then I rushed, I forgot my charger, so my phone battery was low all day.
Oh no, that's stressful.
Yes, and at work, I made a small mistake in an email. It wasn't a big problem, but I felt embarrassed.
Embarrassed means you feel uncomfortable because you did something wrong or silly.
Exactly. And after that, I kept thinking about it.
So you were overthinking.
Yes, overthinking is when your brain repeats the same worry again and again.
That happens to everyone. So what did you do after work?
I went home, took a shower, and made something simple to eat. Then I tried to relax by watching a short video.
That's a realistic day.
Yes, not perfect, but real.
Now, let's teach our viewers how to describe a day in a simple structure.
Yes. We can use three parts.
First, the feeling.
Second, one reason.
Third, what you did after that.
For example, my day was stressful because I had a deadline. After work, I just rested.
Perfect. Or, my day was great because I met a nice customer. After work, I felt proud.
Nice.
Let's add some common adjectives for describing your day.
Good, great, okay, fine.
Busy, tiring, exhausting.
Exhausting means very, very tiring.
Exactly.
Stressful, rough, challenging.
Rough is a nice casual word. It was a rough day.
Also, peaceful, calm, relaxing.
And productive.
Very important word.
Now let's practice with some natural phrases.
Phrase 1. It started off.
Yes. It started off good, but then it got busy.
Phrase 2. In the end.
In the end, everything worked out.
Worked out means it became okay.
Phrase 3. I was in a good mood.
Or, I was in a bad mood.
Phrase 4. I needed a break.
Very useful.
Okay, now we should give examples people can copy.
Yes, let's do 5 examples.
Example 1. My day was pretty good. I finished my tasks and I felt proud.
Example 2. My day was okay. Nothing special happened, but that's fine.
Example 3. My day was stressful because I had a deadline. After work, I just wanted to rest.
Example 4. My day was busy. I didn't stop much, so I feel tired now.
Example 5. My day was great. I got good news and it made me smile all day.
Good. Now let's talk about something important. Sometimes we don't want to share too much.
True. You can answer politely and keep it short.
For example, it was fine, just a bit busy.
Or, it was okay. I'm just tired today.
Or, not bad, how about you?
That last one is perfect because it continues the conversation.
Yes. How about you? Is a magic phrase.
It keeps the talk friendly and balanced.
Now we need something interactive.
Yes. It's time for a small game.
A game helps you practice speaking faster.
Okay, everyone. Let's do a small game. I will say a situation, and David will choose the best sentence.
And you can play too. Say the answer with us.
Situation 1. You had a busy day, but you finished everything.
My day was busy, but productive. I got a lot done.
Perfect. I got a lot done is very natural. Situation 2. Your day was not good, but you don't want to complain too much.
It wasn't the best day, but I'm okay.
Great. Very polite and calm. Situation 3. Your day started bad, but later it got better.
It started off rough, but in the end, it worked out.
Excellent. Situation 4. Your day was calm and simple, and you liked that.
It was a peaceful day. Nothing special happened, and I liked that.
Wow. That's a beautiful sentence. Situation 5. Your day was stressful and you feel exhausted now.
It was stressful. I'm exhausted, so I just want to rest.
Perfect.
Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn.
Write one sentence about your day in the comments.
Use one of these words: busy, productive, stressful, peaceful, exhausting, rough.
We would love to read your sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. This is how we learn.
Now, Anta, can we review quickly?
Yes. Today we learned how to answer, "How was your day?" in a natural way.
We learned that we can share feeling plus reason plus what happened next.
We learned words like productive, exhausted, distracted, embarrassed, and peaceful.
And we practiced phrases like "it started off" and "in the end."
Well, David, we talked about many things today. I think it is time to finish our lesson already.
I was enjoying this conversation, but you are right. Let's wrap it up. So today our topic was how to talk about your day in English.
That's right. We learned simple sentences and natural phrases.
We also played a small game to practice speaking quickly and confidently.
and we want you to practice too.
Now, before we finish, it's time for the question of the day. Are you ready?
Our question is, how was your day today and why?
One sentence is enough. Please write it in the comments.
We read every single comment. We love to see you practicing English and supporting each other. This is a community.
Also, if today's lesson was helpful for you, please let us know by liking this video.
And if you want to practice more English with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Then you will never miss a lesson. We make new lessons every week.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Our goal is to help you speak English with confidence. Take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. We will see you next time for another lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.